Factor. Entre ellos.
On these little rocks, and then that they will break them. So once break, then they're just gonna take out the inside part, as we call them the cacao nibs, because as you guys can see, it looks kind of like granola. So we use them like a granola, but more healthier in our yogurt bowls and fruit stuff like that. And then what we will do with that part, we're gonna grind it. So once you grind it, it's gonna be a paste, but this paste, as you guys see right here, is dried. Then the part, the shells that stays from the cacao, we use it as a relaxing tea, and it's really, really good for stress and anxiety. Like, we have a lot of comments that come back, and the people just come back to buy the tea. They'll be like, that's you, it was amazing and stuff like that. So I was like, that's weird.
Is this like white chocolate?
That's the white chocolate right there.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Smells so good.
Here, what this does now, this helps us roast it. It's gonna be there 30 to 40 minutes roasting them. As you guys see, the seeds already roasted. This is the machine that we use. The same process that I showed you right here. This machine does it for me. It's called the winnower. It separates the dirt and the cacao nibs from at the bottom. Once we have 25 pounds in these buckets, we're going to pass it to our grinder. That's the FBM behind you guys right over there. Yep. That one.
Where's it? Oh, right here. Right here is the grinder.
It's a long name, but I call it FBM because that's the first thing you can see. But then right there, it doesn't come out dry. It's going to come out more like an ice cream paste, but a little bit more thicker. So once done, then we're going to transfer it to our
This is the refiner. Is this where you add like the milk and the sugar?
That's where we're going to add our cane sugar or milk. If we're going to break up almonds or anything we're going to add to it, we're going to add it here. Because this takes 6 to 9 hours processing the chocolate, so it's going to make all the taste and the flavors come together. So this is what this is practically the chocolate right
So
here.
how many chocolate bars can you make? Like, what's the capacity?
Let me check. Let me
Like
check.
those.
Sí, a mí, yes. Marjorie, ¿cuántas barras de chocolate dirías que están ahí adentro?
No, mi amor, barras no sé, pero sí sé que de un lote de ahí sale de 48 a 56 barras.
Okay, okay.
Está más o menos.
Ajá. De 48 a 56 barras.
Sí. I see that we use. Like, this is like mind-blowing spice. So, yeah. So once that's done, it creates bubble in the chocolate once it's playing with the temperature. So once the bubbles are there, we know that it's ready. So we're just going to put it at last part. Once done, they're going to wrap them in aluminum foil, and then they're going to put them in the label 4 boxes for us. Empty of them, right? And then these are the ones that you're going to see back in New York. They sell them in the tubes over there, and then they sell them in the aquariums. So you're going to see these a lot with the Roatan sign of it and everything. These are the cacao powder. Then our coffee we also get from the Mosquitia. The only thing we do here with them, we roast them, and then we make them, we ground them. From there, it's good. The cacao tea and then the cacao nibs.
Where's your mind? Do you like the one with chili?
That's what I'm trying now.
Where are you guys from?
Pennsylvania?
Where?
Pennsylvania.
Oh, that's in USA, right?
Yeah.
I heard Pennsylvania.
So does she.
Yeah, everybody confuses Pennsylvania with Transylvania.
If we bite your neck.